Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through how to share someone's story on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Then navigate to the story you want to share. Stories appear at the top of your newsfeed. Then tap on the story to view it in the full screen mode. Then look for the option to share the story, as in click on this three dot on the top right corner. Then there might be the option of copy link. Then click on the copy link to copy the link to the clipboard. Then go back to the Facebook app or on any messages app to send it to your friend, or you can just go to the Facebook and share it on your Facebook post. Long press in the text field and select paste to paste the copied link to anywhere. And that is it. This is how simply you can share someone's story on messages, on Facebook post or anywhere. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.